In this video we will talk about how to make your own body scrubs. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Body scrubs can turn your standard morning shower into an invigorating and rejuvenating spa experience. An exfoliating body scrub cleanses your skin while gently buffing away dead skin cells to reveal a radiant new layer of young, smooth skin. Most body scrubs are made of small, rough grains suspended in moisturizing, gentle bases. The grains, which are sometimes salt or sugar crystals, flecks of walnut, or even sand, exfoliate your skin by helping to loosen dead skin cells so that they can be rinsed away. The base helps care for the live skin cells left behind by providing a gentle, protective layer of moisture that will help your skin glow with health and beauty. Body scrubs are traditionally a luxury item, and are priced accordingly. Designer body scrubs can cost upwards of $20 for a few ounces. Homemade body scrubs are inexpensive and easily made out of all natural ingredients. Because you don't need to worry about keeping a body scrub fresh if you plan to use it right after you make it, your scrubs can be pure and gentle without any of the potentially damaging chemicals or preservatives that are found in many commercial scrubs. For a pampering and soothing bath time treat that will give your skin a radiantly fresh look for just a few dollars, try making your own body scrub. To make a scrub, all you need to do is to pair a naturally abrasive ingredient with a soothing and moisturizing base. The most popular and practical abrasive for homemade body scrubs is sugar. Sugar's small grains and ability to melt easily make it the least damaging abrasive, so you can be sure that your sugar-based body scrub will help your skin rather than harm it. To make a gentle base for your invigorating and exfoliating sugar, start with your favorite fruit. Strawberries, mangoes, and bananas are 3 classic body scrub ingredients that will soothe and protect your skin. For every 2 cups of thoroughly mashed fruit, add a tablespoon of sugar. For extra soothing power, add a tablespoon of rich honey, which will give your skin a luxurious shine. For the best results, apply your homemade body scrub in the shower after gently cleansing your skin. Use a circular motion to buff away dead skin cells, and pay extra attention to rough areas like elbows and knees. Allow your scrub to linger on your skin for 3 to 4 minutes so that your skin can absorb the nutrients from the fruit, and then rinse away your homemade scrub in lukewarm water. Pat your skin dry gently to seal the moisture into your newly revealed fresh layer of glowing skin. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.